Oh, he's going crazy from the catnip. If you watched part 1, then you saw him eat the catnip, and now he's going crazy. He's crazy. Oh, he's crazy. Oh. Oh. It's going crazy. It's a crazy kitty. He's crazy. He doesn't normally just roll around like this. He only does it once he eats catnip. I'm going crazy. I ate the catnip and now I'm going crazy. I can't control myself. I'm crazy. Oh, I'm drunk as a skunk. Where is everything? I can't focus on anything. What's going on? Is that Teddy? I can't tell. But I'm drunk. I'm drunk. I'm a drunk cat. Oh. Oh. Well, that's Obi with catnip. I'm Obi the kitty.